Hi there, I think you know exactly who I am. But in case you don't know where to find me, check me out. If you look for fashion in blogs and magazines, don't be surprised if Google gives you BB. If you look for curls, you're in the right place. Yes, I got that too, but nothing beats the bass. I got face. Do you got face? Give me that face. I got face. I got face. Do you got face? Give me that face. I got face. Now you all know this ain't no community college lecture. If you wanna know about beauty, you gotta pay with more than just attention. Listen up. Beauty